student, good morning. Take page number 42. Hollywood Maze. Exercise A. The name of some films, film star, and film character. First A. Tom Hanks gave his voice for different roles in this animated film. The word Polar Express. टॉम हैंक्स ने अपनी अलग अलग आवाज़ में रोल किए हैं. Second, the sequel of this movie is also called Escape to Africa, Madagascar. Third, this is a talking cat that belonged to John Arbuckle, Garfield. Fourth, Mowgli, a little boy, is raised by a family of wolves in this film, The Jungle Book. Number 5. This film is about the partnership between a rabbit police officer and a red fox con artist. In 2017, it won the Oscar for the Best Animated Feature Films with Zootopia. 6. This film is also all about dancing penguin and the global warming happy fate. 7th, in this film, a talking rat wants to be a chef. Chef, तो वही रहता तो गिर. Number 8, हम है लाजवाब is the Hindi version of this film, The Incredible. हमें लाजवाब फिल्म है वो इनक्रेडिबल्स की वर्जन है एक. 9th, in 2016, this animated film won an Oscar. It is set in the mind of a young girl named Riley. The 5 emotions, joy, sadness, anger, fear, and the disgust, are the other characters in the film Inside Out. Number 10, this actor lent this voice to the character of Donkey in the Shark movies, Adele Murphy. 11th, the Rocky racing car in the movie Cars is called Lightning, MC Queen. 12th number is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, Prince Caspian, and The Voyage of the Dawn Treader are movie in this film series, The Chronicle of the Narnia. 13th number is the first part of this film is the Alvin and the Chipmunks. The second part of this film is the Squirrel, and the third part of released in 2011 is Chipwrecked. 14th, this film was directed by the James Chairman, was nominated for the 9 Oscars and won 3 of them in 2010. Avatar. 15, in 2015, this animated film won an Oscar. It is a story about a young robotics expert, Hiro Hamada, who forms a superhero team similar to the superhero team of Marvel Comics to combat a marked villain, Big Hero. 16. Maria is the governess to the 7 children in Australia in this timeless film, The Sound of Music. 17. This film story is set in the Monstropolis, a city of 13th century. The power company in the city sends its employees to the children's bedrooms to scare them. This movie is Monsters Inc. Okay, student. 18. Continental Drift, released in 2012. It is the 4th part of this series, Ice Age. Then turn the page. Medical matters. Write the correct letter in the each box. This doctor specialize in this treating children, जो कि बच्चों के लिए स्पेशली उनको क्या बोलते हैं, पेडिट्रिशियन. डॉक्टर यूज दिस टू लिसन टू योर ब्रीथिंग और हार्ट बीट. डॉक्टर जो हमारे हार्ट बीट को सुनने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं, स्टेथोस्कोप. दिस डॉक्टर ट्रीट्स डिजीज स्पेसिफिक टू वुमन एंड गर्ल्स. वुमन और गर्ल के लिए होते हैं वो गायनाकोलॉजिस्ट. Fourth, this helps doctors to take a close look at the bones and the organs inside our body. X-ray. These doctors specialize in the treating patients who suffer from the heart disease. तो वे cardiologist. 6 number पे, this ensures that you do not feel any pain during an operation or surgery. It is two type, local or general. In the local type, only the area of the body being operated on is named. In the general type, you are made unconscious and fall into the deep sleep. तो वो क्या है? वो है एनेस्थेसिया. Number 7. This doctor examine your eyes, treat eye disease and recommends what power your spectacles should have. तो वो है ophthalmologist. 8 number पे these are the instructions that a doctor writes on his or her letterhead. They include the name of the medicines and the treatment the patient needs. Prescriptions. 9. This doctor treats patients who have broken their bones, injured their muscles. Orthopedic. This doctor treats disease related to our skin. स्किन के रिलेटेड कुछ डिसीज हो उसको ट्रीट करते हैं तो वो है डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट. देन साइबर टाइम. एक्सरसाइज ए में है यहाँ पे जो एरर है उसको करेक्ट करना है और लिखना है. तो ये मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि देर आर मेनी एरर्स. फर्स्ट है LED स्टैंड फॉर लो एनर्जी डिवाइस, नॉट LED स्टैंड फॉर लाइट इमिटिंग कोड. नंबर 2 है कि नेटिक्वेट मीन्स द मैनर्स एंड द एंटिक्स वन शुड ऑब्जर्व व्हेन वर्किंग ऑन द इंटरनेट. करेक्ट है तो सिर्फ करेक्ट लिखना है, अगर फॉल्स है तो उसको करेक्ट करके उसका राइट आंसर लिखना है. सो ये आपको होमवर्क में करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ट्राई बाय योर सेल्फ, देन आई विल गिव ऑल द आंसर्स टू यू. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.